The Optotutor Online Portal is available for anyone to access, whether you're at stage 1, stage 2, or at the OSCEs. There's recorded lectures which cover the competencies that you'll need to know for visit 1, visit 2, and visit 3 at stage 1. There's also lectures that cover each individual unit, so you understand the theory behind the competencies that you will be covering for your overarching in stage 2. There's additional lectures which are 35 to 40-minute long, and they cover things like anterior eye conditions, posterior eye conditions, things like paediatric examinations. So what sort of charts you use for children of different ages? How do you approach a children's eye test? There's also content on visual fields as well as OCT interpretation as well. So the portal can be used for anyone, any pre-reg students from stage 1 all the way through to stage 2 and the OSCEs. It's on a running direct debit, so you can cancel it at any point and you'll have access to towards the end of the month. Each month there is going to be a payment that gets taken out, and you'll have access until the end of the month, and you can choose to cancel it at any point.